Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's have a look at size of our columns. I want to copy that one and want to put a char and paste it. I'm going to assign some numbers next to our columns. 4, 4, and 4. So 3 times 4 makes 12. As you remember from previous tutorial, total column number must be maximum 12. So it makes 12. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys? Let's change the color of them. Danger, success, secondary. Let's save it. We see the same proportion regardless the size of our screen. Let's make it little bit change. For example, I want to make that one 2 and that one 5 and that one 5 too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, size of our column has changed. How about adding second row? Let me copy that one. Let's change background colors to info, warning, and primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see all columns and rows. Let's change size of our column. For example, let's make it that one 1 and let's make it that one 4 and total it makes total 5. 12 minus 5 makes 7 and let's make that one 7. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we can change column size in the row independently. We use different proportion at first row and we use different proportion in the second row. And as you notice guys, we use total 12. It means all columns. We can use less columns if you want. For example, let's change the first one. Let's say I want to use that one 3 and then that one 2 and that one also 3. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you don't have to use all rows. If you want, you can make it center rather than starting from left side. Let's add another class name to do that. We just need to add a class name in row. Justify content center. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we made it centered. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.